Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. After lots and lots of product delays, the Love From Lizi November 2020 card kit is finally here. And it's definitely worth the wait. The theme is Warm Winter Wishes, and this is an exclusive Love From Lizi kit. I will have links provided in the description box if you want to purchase the kit or any of the add-ons that I show. And since this kit arrived several weeks late, Lizi has decided to skip the December 2020 card kit this year. That way she'll be able to catch up and hopefully be on schedule for the January kit. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything that's included in the November kit. This month Lizi included 7 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a pink, 2 sheets of white that are alcohol marker friendly. There's a gray, a green, a light blue, and then a navy. Here are the pattern papers for the month, and they are absolutely adorable. There are 16 sheets of 6x6 paper. These are all single-sided, and they're a really nice thickness. So lots of fun creatures. There's some winter scenes, and all of the papers have a look of glitter on them, but there isn't any glitter. These are all nice and smooth. I love the polar bears, little penguins. There's some with some polka dots. There's some florals in there. Some that looks like snowfall. And that last one looks like little pine needles. And then up next is the stamp set. So there's several different animals. You have the fox, the deer, a couple of penguins. There's 3 tiny trees, and then 4 different sentiments. And I really like that you can use the kit as Christmas cards or simply winter cards or maybe general theme. The peel-offs this month are the clear iridescent, but they have a silver foil on the edge. So they're really pretty. So in the center of the peel-off, it's slightly clear. It does have that glitter look, and then on the edge it has that beautiful silver foil. I was trying to find a spot to place these so I wasn't completely blinding you from the reflection, but that wasn't really happening since they're so shiny. Next up, there is a pack of ephemera, and these are so sweet. Lots and lots of critters. And there's some florals in there, there's a couple of igloos. So I am going to speed this portion up while I go through the ephemera really quickly. I love the size of the critters this time. They're very small, so easy to create some winter scenes on your cards. There are also some larger pieces like the igloos. I just think they're all so adorable. Really excited to start using this kit. Next up, there are 5 satin ribbons. You have 5 different colors. Beautiful colors that coordinate with the paper collection. And there's also a pack of enamel glitter dots, and these are the same colors as the ribbons. So everything just ties together, works well together, and I love the beautiful glitter in these enamel dots. And then there is a set of dies. We have 4 dies this month. There's Merry Christmas, Winter Wishes, and Christmas Wishes. And then the other is a little image. It has 2 polar bears surrounded by a heart wreath. Isn't that sweet? Up next, there are 3 sheets of acetate. And these are really unique. They have a print on them, so it looks like a little iceberg or a little snow scene. So the idea is you could create a little shaker window, and you could take some of the ephemera pieces and put them on the front, or you can put them on the inside, so you can create your little winter scene. Isn't that fun? Lizi always includes such unique items. I look forward to my kit arriving every single month. It's like Christmas morning. Next up, there are some wooden trees. These are really fun since they're all different designs. And I believe there are 8 different trees. Some of them have a faint print on the front. Others are laser cut. And if you don't like the print, you could always flip it over and use the back side. I like to heat emboss on the wood pieces, but you could also use inks or paints, or you could leave them plain if you prefer them that way. So many possibilities. And it looks like I was wrong. There's actually 9 different trees. It'd be fun to create a little winter scene with the variety of trees. Then up next is the sequin mix. This is a sample size bag. If you like lots of sequins, you can always purchase an additional bag as an add-on. So that is everything that's included in the Love From Lizi November 2020 card kit. Now, as always, I do have a few add-ons to share. There are the 2 peel-off bundles. You can never have too many peel-offs. The first one is the pinstripe bundle. So you'll get pink, there's the blue mirror, there's the clear iridescent glitter, and then also black. Next is the variety bundle. So there's the silver moondust in pinstripe, there is the sky blue in sway, brown mirror in straight, and then the mini circles in white. And you can actually color the white with Copic markers. And then up next, there are a couple of mega packs. I'm so excited. Lizi hasn't had a mega pack for quite a while. The first one is called Happy Holiday. So the mega packs include 32 sheets of 8x8 paper. This time there is a large sentiment stamp set. So look at all these beautiful Christmas sentiment stamps. And then there's also the one image with the holly leaves. I'm laying this out on my mat so you can see how large this set really is. It's about 6 by 8 inches. There are 4 sheets of specialty cardstock included. There's a gold mirror. There's a greenish, like a dark green, but it has a gold finish on it, so it's a pearlescent. There's a gold pearlescent and also a really lovely red pearlescent. So these match nicely with the pattern papers. As I mentioned earlier, there are 32 sheets of 8x8 pattern paper. Some of the pattern papers are double-sided. I'm going to flip through these really quickly, starting with the double-sided papers. I think the colors and designs in this mega pack have a more traditional Christmas look to them. Lots of ornaments, there's some plaids, some poinsettias, the snowflakes, there's some gingham, a little holly, and that's the last of the double-sided papers. So the next 3 are single-sided, but you'll still have 2 of each. And then next we have the specialty papers, and again you'll have 2 of each. This first one has a spot gloss finish, same with this paper. And then this plaid has a linen finish, has a texture. And then the last 2 have a glitter finish design. And it's really nice since the glitter is embedded, so it's not going to make a mess. So that's everything that's included in the Happy Holiday Mega Pack. And there is one more Mega Pack that's available, and this one is called Frozen. So again, there is a full stamp set with sentiments, and this is different from the stamp set that's included in the Happy Holiday Mega Pack. So these are more winter. There are a couple Christmas on there. There are 4 sheets of the specialty cardstock. So this one, there's a white pearlescent, there's the silver mirror, there's a charcoal or dark gray pearlescent, and then this lovely blue pearlescent paper. There are 32 sheets of 8x8 pattern paper. I'll go ahead and start with the double-sided papers, and I've already flipped over that opposite side. So very soft color tone for this collection. Many of the patterns are very muted, a little tone on tone. Just some fun designs for the background. There's some trees, little snow splotches. There's one with some darling little polar bears. And then this one has a pearlescent finish, so you'll get 2 of those. This snowflake design is also a pearlescent finish. This one has a little bit of glitter on it on those snowflakes and stars. That one has some silver foil. This one is super shiny with the silver foil. And then here are the single-sided. They don't have a specialty on them. So finish with some polar bears and some darling little penguins. That is everything that is included in the Frozen Mega Pack. Now here's just another look at the November 2020 Love From Lizi card kit. This is a monthly card kit, so quantities are always limited. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up and subscribe. I will have links provided in the description box for the kit and also for all of the add-ons that I showed. And there are quite a few other add-ons that are available that I didn't receive. I will add a link for the full November release if you want to check those out. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this fun kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.